Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Goode with your weekly update. I'm pleased to announce that Prescott has been named one of the top 10 best Christmas towns in the nation by Newsweek. We're the only community in Arizona to be awarded this honor. I'm proud of the long-standing events and traditions that make Prescott such a wonderful place to celebrate Christmas and all of the holidays. Prescott has long been known as Arizona's Christmas City, a title bestowed upon it by former Governor Rose Mofford in 1989. Its holiday charm is showcased through a series of beloved signature events, including the Holiday Light Parade and Bonfire, the traditional Christmas Parade, the courthouse lighting, Hacker Night, and the Whiskey Road New Year's Eve boot draw. Each event offers an enchanting experience, welcoming visitors and residents alike to indulge in the joyous spirit of the season. In addition to these major events, visitors can immerse themselves in the local traditions at the German Christkindl Christmas Market or marvel at the largest gingerbread display at Prescott Resort. Frontier Christmas at Charlotte Hall Museum adds a historical twist to the festive lineup. Prescott is a true destination for holiday fun. With this recognition, Prescott stands proudly among the country's most cherished Christmas towns, sharing its vibrant holiday spirit with all who visit. The City of Prescott is seeking public comment on the draft 2025 General Plan document. The 60-day public comment period started on September 23rd and lasts through November 21st. A general plan is a land use policy guide and provides a vision of what the city will likely become in 10 years. Community input to implementing the community vision is important, and your participation is encouraged. The city will host a public open house for the general plan on October 24th at the Prescott Library in the Founders Room from 3 to 6 p.m. Staff and committee members will be on hand to answer any questions about the proposed general plan. A virtual meeting room is also available for the public to visit and provide comments. Access to the meeting room is on the planprescott.com website under 60-day public comment period. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is seeking applications for citizens who are interested in serving on a number of city boards, commissions, and committees. The City of Prescott is currently seeking applications for the Building Safety Advisory and Appeals Board. This term goes from March 2024 through March of 2027. Applicants must be a Prescott resident, and there are 2 vacancies. The CDBG Citizens Advisory Committee is also looking to fill 1 vacancy. Applicants do not need to be a Prescott resident, and the term starts immediately and goes through March 2026. Boards, commissions, and committees provide great opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members will be appointed by the City Council with a recommendation by the Council's Subcommittee on Appointments after all applications are reviewed. Please turn in your application to the city by 5 p.m. on Friday, October 25th. There are several city meetings this week. The Airport Advisory Committee meets today, Tuesday, October 15th at 2 p.m. That meeting takes place at the Airport Administration Building, 2nd floor conference room at 6630 Airport Avenue. On Wednesday, the Tourism Advisory Committee meets in the council chambers at 11 a.m. Also on Wednesday, the Community Development Block Grant, also known as CDBG, Citizens Advisory Committee meets in the council chambers at 1:30 p.m. Thursday, the Board of Adjustments will be meeting at 9 a.m. in the council chambers. Ballots for the general election have been mailed out, and early in-person voting is open at the Yavapai County Administration Building for the 2024 general election. You can vote early or drop off your ballot at the County Administration Building on Fair Street. Proposition 478, the Prescott Public Safety Needs Measure, is on this ballot. Between now and the general election on November 5th, I am providing facts and information about the Prescott public safety needs as they relate to Proposition 478. If the proposed transaction privilege tax, Proposition 478, passes in the November election, the City of Prescott will begin to work on the long overdue facility needs for public safety departments, including additional fire stations and police facilities. If Proposition 478 passes, all funds received from this tax will be solely dedicated to these needs. In sharing this information with you, please understand that these statements are meant to be factual and informative in nature and are not intended to support or oppose any ballot measures. There is only one more open house for Proposition 478. This open house will be this Thursday, October 17th at the Police Department from 6 to 8 p.m. and will offer the public an opportunity to see the police station and develop a better understanding of the needed renovations/upgrades there. To all who have attended the open houses so far, I want to thank you for your participation. I hope they were helpful in your understanding of why the council voted to bring Proposition 478 to the voters. If you were unable to attend the open houses, the ParticipatePrescott.com website has a lot of information on Proposition 478, including copies of the public open house information boards. We would also appreciate it if you could take the quick survey. This allows us to learn from you and respond to your questions and concerns. Remember, the new trash and recycling collection routes have begun. You can find more information at PrescottRecycles.com. Per city code, all cans must be curbside by 6 a.m. on the morning of your collection day. I'm Mayor Phil Goode, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.